So okay, here given the function f is equals to a plus b complement dot c plus a complement total whole complement. So at first we have to simplify the function and implement the simplified function by NOR gate only. So now solution. Here given function f is equals to a plus b complement dot c plus a complement whole complement. Now, in accordance with the De Morgan's first theory, a complement plus will be complemented dot b complement dot c plus a complement whole complement. So at first we have to separate the plus sign. We have to modify the plus sign into dot sign in accordance with the De Morgan first theory. So a complement dot b complement dot c plus a complement whole complement. Again, apply the De Morgan second theory for the second part. So here is the dot and complement. So this dot sign is converted to plus sign. So b double complement plus c plus a complement of whole complement. Now, a complement dot b double complement is equals to b plus c plus a complement whole complement. This function, these logic functions will be converted by the dot functions, because in accordance with the De Morgan first theory, we know that a plus b whole complement is equals to a complement dot b complement. So c plus a complement whole complement is equals to c complement dot a double complement is equals to a complement dot b plus c complement a double complement is equals to a. Now, a complement into b plus a complement into c into a. In accordance with the Boolean algebra, we know that a complement into a is equals to 0. So a into a complement into c, and this function is 0. A dot a complement is equals to 0. So a complement dot b plus 0 into c. So the final output f is equals to a complement dot b. This is our final simplified form, and we have to implement the simplified form by NOR gate only. So here given function f is equals to a complement dot b, and this simplified function f is equals to a complement dot b. Now implement the function by NOR circuit. So we have to modify these functions so that this function can be implemented by the NOR gate. So we have to use the double complement sign. So a double complement plus b whole complement. So a plus b complement whole complement. This is our final functions which will be implemented by the NOR circuit, because we know that the NOR gate adds the inputs and complement the addition form. So we have to modify the dot sign into plus sign so that we can easily implement these functions by NOR gate only. Now, here is the two variables. So we have to draw the two vertical line. So one vertical line is for A and another vertical line is for B. So this is A and B. Now B complement. So we have to draw the two input NOR gate, and this two input NOR gate is connected. The two inputs, if we connect the two inputs, then the NOR gate works as a NOT gate. So this is B complement signal. Now A and B complement will be added through the NOR circuit, and this NOR gate will add the two inputs A plus B complement whole complements. Okay. So this is our final or required logic gate, which is used to implement these logic functions f is equals to a plus b whole complement, a plus b complement whole complement.